Hello. If you installed a virtual box on your Mac and you have a server here, there are three ways of login to that server. So here I have Windows Server 2012. The first option is to use the keyboard by clicking on function ctrl-alt and escape. Okay, so now here we have the login page. The other option, and this is probably the easiest option, is to click on input toolbar, keyboard, and then you have a click for ctrl-alt-del. So you can log in. The third option is to use the ease of access by clicking on it.
Make your computer easier to use.
Clicking on screen keyboard, you can see now the keyboard, and you can click on ctrl-alt-del, and then you can see the login page. These are the three ways of login to the server in VirtualBox at Mac. Thank you.